So guys, the episode number 3 of House of the Dragon is out now and I have just finished watching it, and in this video I will be sharing what I think about this episode. Whatever happened in this episode, I'll share my opinion on that. So if you don't want to miss any of that, watch the video till the end. So this episode starts with Daemon arriving at Harrenhal with Hugh Hammer and Ulf, and the battle I was waiting for didn't happen because Daemon arrived Harrenhal with 3 dragons and Aemond is injured and nobody knows where he is, and because of that Vhagar can't do anything. So when he found out that Rhaenyra is now the queen in the King's Landing, so after hearing that he surrendered that because his army is going to die if they choose to fight. And the terms of the surrender was that Lord Ormond will take his army back to his home, and the son of Alicent, the last son of Alicent, Daeron, will go with Daemon to the King's Landing as a hostage because he is the heir of the Iron Throne. And everything went down very peacefully. And on the other hand, Rhaenyra is taking command of the King's Landing, and she is not handling it well. She is so overwhelmed by everything. She found out that there is no gold in the treasury in King's Landing in the Red Keep. We don't know where the gold went. The only person knew that where is the gold. He died in the last episode and nobody knows where is the gold now, and she want to throw a party of her coronation and there is no money for that, and she is so determined that there should be an event. And after that Rhaenyra went to hear all the pleas from the people of the King's Landing, and she was overwhelmed by that because there are lots of things that people want, that they are starving, there is no business because the blockade at the gullet, and Rhaenyra was the reason why the blockade happened, and now she is here and now people asking to do something, and she did a great thing for the people. She gave them food, but she stole all the food from all the big houses, lords and all that, and she stole their all stock and gave it to the people. She became good in the eye of the people of King's Landing, but she for sure have make some enemies. And other than that, she is going to make a very big mistake because when she went to a priest, I don't know what their rank is, but she went to a priest who did the coronation of Aegon, and now Rhaenyra was asking him that he should do the coronation of Rhaenyra because she is the queen now. But that guy was so stubborn. He said the king is alive and we don't know, we never saw his body. Rhaenyra is telling lie that Aegon is dead, she killed him, but there is no body. And that guy threatened Rhaenyra to not to mess with the priest. And we all know that how dangerous these people can be. We all have seen the Game of Thrones, and we all know what they are capable of. And one thing is very interesting happened in this episode. It was jaw dropping, and I was so scared while that sequence happened. It was the scene where Lord Corlys was angry after Rhaenyra denied announcing that Adam and Ellen are Valerian. And after that, Lord Corlys went mad. He shouted in front of everyone that your sons are, you know what they are. He said the exactly what his brother said to Rhaenyra in the first season, and after that, he lost his head. And I was so scared. I was like, if there is Daemon in somewhere in some corner, he is going to die too. But luckily, Daemon was not there, and because of that, he he survived that, and he is angry, and now maybe he is going to be the enemy of Rhaenyra because he has lost everything, and now she is denying what he wants. After everything that he has done, he has lost everything in the name of Rhaenyra. And the best twist of this episode came in the very last of this episode when Alicent went to see her son Daeron. She saw him, and Rhaenyra was there, and she realized that Alicent is not recognizing this boy because this is not Daeron. Lord Ormond deceived Daemon, and he sent some other boy with Daemon posing as Daeron, and that twist was awesome. And now we know that Ormond is planning to do something big, and he is planning to make Daeron king, I think. And I don't know how he is going to achieve that because Rhaenyra has so many dragons and he has no dragons, so I don't know what he's going to do, but whatever he's planning, it's going to be big. So this episode was packed with politics, and Rhaenyra is overwhelming with the burden of throne. She is having troubles. The whole episode was showing us that the weight of this throne is so heavy, not anybody can walk with it, and Rhaenyra is having trouble with that. Everything happened in this episode was not in the favor of Rhaenyra. Rhaenyra is in trouble, and everyone is going to turn against her because whatever is happening is not happening in her favor. So guys, this is what pretty much happened in this episode, and these were my thoughts on this episode. So what about you guys? Have you seen this episode? Let me know your thoughts about it in the comment box below, and if you can, write a small review about it. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.